Guys, today I'll show you how can you find all the data people also ask from Google and how can you add it in WordPress website. After watching the video, you can add the data in your WordPress website and you can rank for it. So watch the full video. Firstly, go to Google, click on apps in the left side, web store, then search SEO Minion. Click on SEO Minion. Click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. It is downloading in the left side. Then you can see the icon here. Now go to Google and search again. I will download the data now from Google. You can see the data in the right side. Click on drop down button. I will download 50 clicks. Then click on go in the right side. Then the Excel file will be downloaded. You can see that the Excel file is downloading. 32% is done. It is downloading. This way you can download the data from Google. Subscribe to my channel guys and like my video. 80% done. It will take some time, so wait for it. Then I will add the data in WordPress website. You can see that Excel file is downloading in the left side. Only 39 KB. Click on the Excel file and open it. Browse it. Now you can see there all data. Now I will add the data in my WordPress website. You can see the question and answer here. Now go to WordPress and click on add new plugin, then search Elementor starter and install it. Then go to your any page. You can see the icon here. Click on the icon Elementor starter. Then click on blocks in the right side. Then click on drop down button. Select fake. And now you can install any template. I will install this template. Click on import block. Now you can see the block is imported. Now I will edit the block. Select any question, copy it, paste it here. This way you can add the question and answer in your WordPress website and you can rank for it. If you add more data, then your website will rank. So try to add as much as more data. Like my video guys and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.